Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your CUBOT Note 7, and first you have to go for your Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type Magic Fluids. Let's get this app from Mad Scientist. Click Install. Right now we can open. Click that we got it. Then tap right here and move to Set as Live Wallpaper and move to the settings. We can change a little bit graphic settings because this wallpaper was a little bit laggy, so click here and let's go for the low resolution. Okay, then we can go right here. Let's go back and we can go for the theme. There we got a couple of the themes, so I will set up my favorite. I will go for this one, click yes. Then we can just go back and click to set wallpaper. So click here, apply on the home screen. And when we go back, right now you are able to enjoy this wallpaper on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!